Hello. So, it is March 13th. And March 13th means that 3 years and 3 days ago, I received an offer to the Taft School, which I accepted, obviously. I know some of you are undergoing the hard decision of choosing boarding schools, and maybe one of them would include Taft. So I thought that I would give an elevator pitch for the Taft School. Okay, so I would go through 4 points in this video. First one being diversity, second one being academics, third one being school traditions, and fourth one being different leadership programs and opportunities. So let's start with the elevator pitch. First one, diversity. I think Taft is really special in bringing together a lot of people from really different backgrounds and experiences and having them come together and work together. In my experience, being at Taft really grows your worldview. I learned to deal with points of friction when different cultures clash into each other occasionally. And I think that's just so important to learn before going into jobs or maybe even college. And I'm really grateful for Taft for learning that. And it's also, diversity really makes history and geography class discussions so interesting. This is like a bonus, but I love the history and geography class discussions because everybody brings such different perspectives to the table. Okay, second one, academics are very rigorous, but teachers are more than willing to help if you ask them. So I know that Taft has a reputation of having really rigorous academics, but I think one thing that is less vocal about Taft is that the teachers are so nice and they're so willing to help if you ask them. They have extra help. You can just ask them questions when you see them in the dorm. Maybe they're a dorm parent, and it's that they expect a lot more compared to other schools from you as a student, but it's really manageable if you communicate with them daily. Say your English teacher is your dorm parent. You can talk to them every day they're on duty, and talk to them about the book you guys are reading. It's just, the teachers are so nice. I love the teachers at Taft, and you just really gotta make them your friend. You'll love them. And it's also that the workload increases gradually from year to year. So you're not bombarded with work the first year you come in. The first year, freshman year, you don't get as much work, and then it increases sophomore year, and then junior year, and then senior year. So you can manage it. Yes. Third thing is school traditions. The school traditions keep you motivated throughout the year, at least for me. And it's just so fun. My favorites being Hotchkiss Day in the fall, where we compete with our rival, Hotchkiss. Super Sunday, where we splash paint at each other. It's really fun. Third, formal in the winter, and spring fling in the spring. And it's just, there's so many events to keep you interested and engaged and motivated to do work in school and better yourself. Yeah. Fourth is there are so many different programs and opportunities for leadership. So for instance, for me, I'm a residential advisor or dorm one in the Upper School Girls Dorm. I also founded my own club, and I'm also leading another club, and I'm also the admissions council head, and I also had the opportunity to get a PAGE grant twice. It's just, there's so many opportunities for you to get involved in the school. For instance, the board I'm on is the admissions council, but there are also the Red Rhino Fund, the Community Service Board. There's so many opportunities. So yeah, that is basically it for my little elevator pitch. It's a little long, but some elevator rides are 5 minutes long. Thank you so much for watching. You have questions on anything, just comment down below. And I hope you choose the most suitable school for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.